catch me if I fall.
I hate to break it to you guys, but this woman right here is fake. She's only generated by using AI. Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how you could create an AI influencer for free with just a few clicks. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Step 1, we have to gather an AI influencer source image that we need. So for this one, we're just gonna use cart.ai. This is where we could get our source image. We could just go ahead and click on the search icon right here and let's type for a reference. I'm just gonna go for blonde. So right here we have our blonde models. I'm going for this second picture right here. Now you could go ahead and click on try here and it's gonna copy the prompt in here. You could make a few adjustments if you like, but for this one I'm just gonna use this one straight ahead. If you want to use this image right away, you just have to click these three dots right here and this prompt will prompt up and you're just gonna click on save image and it's gonna download the file instantly for you right here. Let's go to the next step, which is step 2, gather the AI influencer target images. Now it's just as simple as the previous step. We just need to collect images that have preferably a similar body or hairstyle or even hair color. These are the images that I collected. In this step, we're just going to generate our AI influencer images now with the source image, and with the target images in hand, we can create our very own AI influencer images we all need. For this one, we're just going to use FaceSwap. It's a Discord bot. I use the Discord app, you can also use the web one, but I find it easier in here. So for the first step, we're just going to create a new server. We can go ahead and do that by clicking the plus icon right here. And you can just name your server here. After creating your Discord server, you're just gonna go ahead and proceed to this GitHub page. You just wanna scroll down until you find the Discord link. Right here, we're just going to select our server. For mine, it's this FaceSwap bot server. Just click on it and click on continue and authorize. Right here, we are able to see our bot, which is this inside FaceSwap bot. To use this bot, we're just gonna use this command /saveid and we're gonna name our model. For mine, I'm gonna name it Roxanne. And we can just go ahead and paste our source image right in this box and hit enter. Now wait for it until we save our ID. Now that we have our ID created, we can just go ahead and swap our faces now with this bot. We're just gonna type /swap ID, and for this one you're gonna enter your saved ID. For mine, it's Roxanne, and you're just gonna want to drag your referenced images inside our box here and hit enter. You're gonna do this for all of the images that we have. For this step, we're now gathering the AI influencer target videos where we can overlay Roxanne's face into someone else. So if you want to be a professional AI influencer, then I suggest to create or buy the target videos yourself, or maybe you could ask someone to do it for you, or to keep the cost down, you could use Fiverr or Instagram. For the purpose of this educational video, I will use some of the videos from a celebrity influencer named Mars Triggiano. She has over 500k followers on TikTok. And to do so, we're just gonna head straight to this Google Collab link, and you're gonna scroll all the way up and you will run this first cell right here, and you're gonna click run anyway. Now if you encounter any errors like here, like this one, you're just gonna want to refresh or reload the page. After successfully running the first cell, you might encounter some errors, but please, that error does not matter. We're just gonna proceed to our second cell and we're gonna click play right here. And after our second cell, let's now go to our third cell, which is this deepfake. For this one, we're just gonna open this folder tab right here, and we're gonna upload our files. We're just going to drag our video file right here, and also our source image. For mine is this one. After successfully uploading your file, we're now gonna copy the path of these files. For the source one, we're just gonna change this one into our source image right here, which is file 1. And for our target, we're also gonna copy that and paste it right here. After successfully pasting your files, you're gonna smash this play button right now and wait for it to load in. And to avoid errors, please make sure your file name doesn't have spaces on it. So right here, it has now finished doing its thing. You will see this swap file right here. Now, if you don't see this file right away, you can go ahead and refresh it right here. This is basically our file. We could just go ahead and download it by clicking the 3 dots and the download button right here. Now let's watch the before and after. Now, as you can see the deepfake go well, you can now go ahead and upload some of them in your Instagram account. But if you're not that big yet, you can just go ahead and use the face swap Discord bot. And if you want to go ahead and use this deepfake once more, you can just go ahead and delete the swap file right here. And we can just go ahead and drag our video once again. Since we already have our source image, we can just go ahead and copy the path of the second video right here by clicking on this copy path, and we're just going to change this target video right here. Just paste it and run the cell again, and it will do its thing again, and it will swap another face for you. I believe you can genuinely make money with an AI influencer. Although it is straightforward to create an AI influencer as laid out in this video, I believe it still requires hard work to make the account truly successful, but you can do it. I believe in you. I hope you learned a lot from today and found some inspiration and joy. Please guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next time. Goodbye.